In this video, I will show how to set legal paper size in Microsoft Excel. So there is the one setting you have to apply. You can print this legal size. Click on this page layout and size. And in this list, you have to find out this legal. Also, guys, you can print this legal size. If you don't have the data, so you will see this line. So make your data according this line. So you will see some pages according this paper size. And once you try to print, so here you can set the page according your need and select here legal statement A4 or any paper size. Here you can select scaling. File and print, and here select according your need. So this way you can set any paper size in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.